was not happy.
Okay, I just already downloaded your Internet Download Manager there. There's your icon. Now, your iCloud folder is now just done downloading. So it's just now asking you, do you want to open this up so we can open it up and take a look at what I'll get downloaded. Now, with downloading iCloud photos, it's a drag and drop and copy. There's nothing to, you're not able to move. You can only copy because otherwise it won't let that happen. So I'm going to click on and open up a new folder for you. iCloud pics. Enter. And then just move that over to the side so that way it's double. Now click on this, move this all the way down there. I'm gonna do an Alt Shift here again. Ah, there we go. Now, right click and move. So I have my finger still on the mouse with the right click, and then I release it and say copy over. I'm doing all this in videotaping for you. So now it's moving over to your computer.